Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Google Maps. To know how to fix or how to solve clear cache on Google Maps, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Google Maps and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.